This is not a test.
What is up, guys? Jared here, back with another video. And today we're at Rankin Lake. I know you guys, I know you guys haven't heard about me in a good minute. It's been a good minute. I've been a little occupied and all that stuff, and I've been a little busy. No cap, I've been a little busy. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been a little busy. But now the coronavirus is out here. It's thriving in North Carolina, guys. And they're literally closing everything down. They've closed schools down. They've closed stores down. They've closed like the gyms down, like the Planet Fitness. It's been crazy. It's been crazy. I don't know how it is where you guys are at, but it's not as crazy as like Wuhan or whatever, but you know. But the good thing about that is that now I have a good bit of time. So stay tuned. We're gonna make a good amount of videos. I'm gonna have you guys updated. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with everything I've been doing. The bike has some new stuff on it. I don't know if you guys remember, but let's walk up there right now. Oh, Papa Willie, son, Papa Willie. Alright, guys, so this is my old turd. Since you guys have seen it, I don't know if you guys have seen it with the 12 bar and with the gold rear sets. That's really the two main things that I've changed on the bike. The rear sets cracked when I was doing a little stunt, and the bike fell, so they cracked. And yeah, so I had to replace those. And then after that, I fell super hard on the back popping a wheelie. I flipped it. I broke the seat, broke the rear light. It's not an LED light no more, it's just a stock OEM one. And yeah, after that I was like, yeah, I need a 12 bar. So I fabricated my own 12 bar. It's not the prettiest 12 bar, but it works. All it needs is a little bit of paint. I just put some pegs on there. Works perfectly, no issues. And then after that, I just you guys seen that I put the I remember I make fuck.
that you
I remember that I updated you guys on the handlebars, so the handlebars are good. Apart from that stuff, everything's pretty much stock. Still stick stock gearing, like the sprocket. Then everything else is stock. My skill has gotten a little better, I guess, as you can say. You guys will see here in the video in a bit. Papa Wheelie, son, Papa Wheelie. Alright, but right now we're gonna go to cookout, guys. I'm hungry. I know the coronavirus is out here, but if God wants me to die today, it's gonna happen. So how am I gonna do that though? I need to get inside the water. Look at that. I just wanted to kiss the water. Damn, how am I gonna take a picture of this? I need to get inside the water, huh? Yup, that didn't have it. That's straight Rona. That's straight Rona. Just a little kiss. 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 Alright, let's get out of here, guys. But guys, yeah. I've had so much fun on this bike. It's crazy. I don't know where I left you guys off. I just decided to make a video today. I was like, you know what? I woke up and got on the bike, put the GoPro on the helmet. I was like, we got on. And Rona ain't getting us today. Not today, sir. Oh, there's people up there, and I really do not want. Alright, stood up. Two garbage bags. My shoes and came and do. 2 sacks. Another sack.
Foxter.
It looks like everything out here is closed. Look, parties.
Number 727. Number 3 pop. Hey. Alright, you running to the second, right?
Thank you, man. Today's video. Oh, stop it. That was a little one. But yeah, I guess today this is where I'm at in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't too much of a vlog, just because I was just trying to update you guys on whatever was happening and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, everything looks fine. Stay safe and keep driving, guys. Peace.